Tada! Congratulations po nakagawa na tayo ang new Facebook account. Hello, I'm Mel. Welcome to the channel. How to create Facebook account or Rapodolu account without using personal email or phone number. Sign up your name first and last name. Go girl, set up your name and last name first. Birthday, gender, etc. Iliveu. Yay! After that, enter this in your browser for temporary email. Can be used to create Facebook account without using your personal email. Hee. Copy this temporary email now and paste to sign up Facebook page for you to get the Facebook verification code. Hee and paste it. Disclaimer: do this at your own risk. Hee. Wait for the Facebook verification code and type now to Facebook app. And lastly, set up your Facebook account now. New created. Skip this. Now you can check the temp mail website to get your Facebook verification code. Hee. Let's check the Facebook code now. Subscribe now for more Facebook tutorials. I love you po. Antigal. Hee. Wait neo na long tapos type neo done be. Again, this step is optional. Type the Facebook verification code here and you're done, babe. For more Facebook tutorials, you can subscribe to this channel for free. Yes, it's free, so click the subscribe button now. Hee. Tada! Congratulations po nakagawa na tayo ang new Facebook account without using personal email and phone number. Kung natalangan kita, just comment below and subscribe to this channel for more Facebook tutorials. Iliveu. Thanks. Stay safe you all and see you in the next Facebook tutorials. Subscribe now. Bye and thanks.